Scientists spotted a black hole collision unlike anything we've ever seen. Researchers with the LIGO and Virgo gravitational wave observatories detected the first ever gravitational wave event between two black holes with drastically different masses. The colossal merger happened on April 12, 2019. One of the black holes was 8 times our sun's mass, and it was punching way outside its weight class. It took on another black hole about 3.6 times heavier and 30 times as massive as our sun. Researchers say black hole mergers usually give out a single gravitational wave frequency, but this collision emitted multiple frequencies, indicating a mass mismatch between the smashing objects. The merger also allowed the team to test out Einstein's theory of general relativity. The findings were presented at this month's online American Physical Society meeting.